What if I told you that the way your home feels right now could be making you feel older than you really are? Think about it for a moment. When you walk into your living space, do you feel light and free, or do you feel heavy and tired? Most of us never realize that our homes are quietly affecting how we experience getting older. But here's the truth. A small shift in your home can completely change how you feel about aging. It can bring back your energy, lift your mood, and help you enjoy this beautiful stage of life instead of just getting through it. Today, I'm going to share 10 simple changes that don't require expensive renovations or exhausting work. These are gentle shifts that create big results. And if you stay until the end, you'll discover the one thing that ties all of these ideas together, the secret that makes everything work. So, let's begin. Tip 1. Let light flow into every corner. Light changes everything. When your home is filled with natural light during the day, your body feels more alive, your mind feels clearer, and suddenly, you don't feel as tired or as old. Many of us live with curtains closed or blinds half down because we got used to it, but darkness makes us feel heavier. It makes the walls feel closer. It makes aging feel harder. Start by opening your curtains as soon as you wake up. Let the morning light pour in. If you have windows that face the sun, pull back everything and let that brightness touch your furniture, your floors, your skin. Light tells your body that it's time to be awake and active. It lifts your spirit in ways you might not even notice at first, but after a few days you'll feel the difference. If some rooms in your home don't get much natural light, try adding a small lamp with a warm bulb. Place it near where you sit to read or have your coffee. The goal is not to have a bright, harsh light everywhere. The goal is to have enough light so that you never feel like you're sitting in the shadows. Because when we sit in darkness, we start to feel invisible, and that feeling makes aging feel lonely. But when your home is bright and welcoming, you feel seen, you feel alive, you feel younger, not because of your age, but because of your energy. And that energy comes from light. Tip 2. Remove what you no longer use. Our homes collect things over the years. Clothes we don't wear, dishes we never use, papers we saved for reasons we can't remember anymore. And all of these things sit there, taking up space, creating visual noise. When you look around and see piles, clutter, and stuff everywhere, your mind feels crowded too, and that mental clutter makes you feel older and more tired than you need to feel. You don't need to throw away everything in one day. That would be overwhelming and stressful. Instead, start with one small area. Maybe it's a drawer in the kitchen, maybe it's a shelf in your bedroom. Go through the items slowly and ask yourself a simple question. Do I use this, or do I keep it out of guilt or habit? If the answer is guilt or habit, it's time to let it go. Letting go is not about being wasteful. It's about making space for peace. Every item you remove is like lifting a small weight off your shoulders. You'll notice that your home starts to feel lighter. You'll notice that you can breathe a little easier. And when your environment feels lighter, you feel lighter too. You stop carrying the heaviness of the past in every corner of your home. And suddenly, aging doesn't feel like you're being buried under a pile of memories. It feels like you're moving forward with space to enjoy what matters now. Tip 3. Create one spot that's just for you. When was the last time you had a place in your home that felt truly yours? A place where you could sit, think, rest, or simply be without anyone needing anything from you? Many of us spend our whole lives taking care of others, managing the house, and never creating a single corner just for ourselves. And without that space, we start to lose our sense of identity. We start to feel like we're just here to serve, to clean, to organize. And that feeling makes aging feel like disappearing. If this content is helping you so far, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so you don't miss the next videos. And tell me in the comments where you are watching from. I love knowing where this message is reaching. Now, creating your own spot doesn't mean you need an entire room. It can be a chair by the window. It can be a small table where you keep your favorite books or a cup of tea. It can even be a corner of your bedroom with a soft blanket and a cushion. The important thing is that this space is yours. When you sit there, you're not doing chores. You're not thinking about what needs to be fixed or cleaned. You're just being. This small shift tells your mind that you still matter, that your comfort matters, that your peace matters. And when you remind yourself of that every day, aging stops feeling like you're fading away. It starts feeling like you're finally giving yourself the care and attention you always deserved. So find your spot today, claim it, protect it, and use it often. By the way, If you'd like to save time and money while keeping your home always clean, organized and smelling fresh, I've prepared a complete guide with easy homemade recipes, a practical weekly checklist, and professional tricks that really work. The link is waiting for you in the first pinned comment. Now let's continue with the video. Tip 4. Bring life into your home with plants. There's something powerful about having a living thing in your home. A plant breathes, it grows. It reminds you that life is still happening, even when everything else feels still or slow. And that reminder changes how you feel about aging. It reminds you that growth doesn't stop just because you're getting older. You don't need to become a gardener or fill your home with dozens of plants. Start with just one. Choose something simple that doesn't need much care. A small plant on your kitchen counter, a pot of herbs near the window. Even a single flower in a vase can make a difference. When you water it, when you watch it grow, you're taking care of something. You're nurturing life, and that act of nurturing reminds you that you're still capable, still important, still needed. Plants also clean the air and add color to your space. They make rooms feel fresher and more alive. And when your home feels alive, you feel more alive too. You stop seeing your home as a place where you're just waiting for time to pass. You start seeing it as a place where life is still growing, still beautiful, still full of possibility. And that shift in how you see your home changes how you see yourself. You're not just getting older, you're still growing too. Tip 5. Choose colors that make you feel calm. The colors around you affect your mood more than you realize. If your walls, your furniture, and your decorations are all dark and heavy, your mood will feel dark and heavy too. If everything is bright and chaotic, you'll feel anxious and restless. But if you choose colors that are soft, warm, and calming, your entire home becomes a place of peace, and peace is what we need most as we age. You don't need to repaint your whole house. Small changes work just as well. Maybe you add a light-colored blanket to your sofa. Maybe you replace dark curtains with lighter ones. Maybe you choose pillows or towels in soft shades that make you feel relaxed when you see them. Colors like soft blue, gentle green, warm cream, or light gray are wonderful choices because they don't demand attention. They simply calm you down. When your home is filled with calming colors, you stop feeling on edge. You stop feeling like everything is too much. And that calmness helps you see aging in a different way. Instead of feeling like life is speeding up and overwhelming you, you start to feel like you can slow down, breathe, and enjoy each moment. Your home becomes a refuge, not a reminder of stress. And that changes everything about how you experience this stage of life. Tip 6. Keep surfaces clear and simple. When every table, counter, and shelf is covered with stuff, your mind feels crowded. You look around and see clutter, and your brain gets tired just from looking at it. You might not even realize it's happening, but that visual mess is quietly draining your energy every single day. And when you're already tired from aging, from aches, from changes in your body, the last thing you need is your home making you even more exhausted. The solution is simple but powerful. Keep your surfaces clear. Your kitchen counter doesn't need 10 things on it. It just needs what you use every day. Your coffee table doesn't need to hold magazines from last year, random papers, and 5 remote controls. It can hold 1 or 2 things that bring you joy, like a candle or a small plant, and nothing else. Start by clearing one surface today. Just one. Put away everything that doesn't belong there, wipe it clean, and then stand back and look at it. Notice how much lighter that space feels. Notice how much easier it is to breathe when you look at it. That feeling is what your whole home can feel like if you take this approach everywhere. And when your home feels clear and simple, your mind feels clear and simple too. You stop feeling overwhelmed by life. You start feeling like you have space to think, to rest, to just be. And that space is exactly what makes aging feel easier and more peaceful. Tip 7. Add softness wherever you can. As we get older, comfort becomes more important. Our bodies need softness, our minds need gentleness. And when our homes are full of hard surfaces, sharp corners, and cold materials, we start to feel uncomfortable in our own space. We start to feel like our home is not a place to relax. It's just a place to exist, and that makes aging feel harsh and uninviting. So bring softness into your home. Add a soft rug where you walk barefoot in the morning. Put a cushion on the chair where you sit to have your tea. Drape a cozy blanket over your sofa so you can wrap yourself in it whenever you feel cold or tired. These small touches of softness make your home feel like a hug. They make every room feel like a place where you're cared for and protected. Softness also affects your mood. When you touch something soft, your body relaxes. Your stress melts away just a little bit, and over time, these small moments of relaxation add up. You start to feel more at ease in your own home. You start to feel like aging is not about losing comfort. It's about finally giving yourself the comfort you always needed, but never took the time to create. So add softness today. Let your home hold you gently. Let it remind you that you deserve to feel safe, warm, and cared for every single day. Tip 8. Organize so you can find things easily. Nothing makes you feel older than searching for something and not being able to find it. You open drawers and don't see what you need. You look on shelves and everything is mixed together. You waste time, you waste energy, and you end up feeling frustrated, confused, and tired. This constant searching quietly tells you that you're losing control, and that feeling makes aging feel scary and overwhelming. But here's the truth. It's not about your memory or your age, it's about how your home is organized. If things don't have a clear place, of course you can't find them. If your kitchen tools are scattered, your papers are piled randomly, and your clothes are stuffed into drawers without order, then anyone would struggle to find what they need. The solution is to organize in a way that makes sense for how you actually live. Start by thinking about the things you use every day. Where do you need them? Put your reading glasses where you read. Keep your keys by the door you use most. Store your favorite cup where you make your coffee. Everything should have a home, and that home should make sense. When you organize this way, you stop wasting energy. You stop feeling frustrated, and you start to feel capable and in control again. And that feeling of control is what helps you feel confident about aging instead of afraid of it. Tip 9. Create a simple routine that keeps things tidy. A tidy home is not about cleaning for hours every day. It's about having a simple routine that prevents mess from building up in the first place. When you let dishes pile up, when you let clothes sit on chairs, when you let papers scatter across the table, you create a mountain of work that feels too big to handle. And that mountain makes you feel tired before you even start. It makes aging feel like you can't keep up anymore. But if you do a little bit every day, you never face that mountain. Make your bed every morning. It takes 2 minutes and makes your whole bedroom feel organized. Wash your dishes right after eating instead of letting them sit. Put things back where they belong as soon as you're done using them. These tiny actions don't feel like work because they're so small, but together they keep your home tidy without exhausting you. When your home stays tidy with almost no effort, you feel proud, you feel capable, you feel like you're still managing your life with ease. And that feeling changes how you see aging. You stop thinking that getting older means everything falls apart. You start to see that with the right systems, with the right habits, life can actually feel easier and more peaceful than it ever was before. And that realization is powerful. It gives you confidence, it gives you joy, and it reminds you that you're still fully in control of your life and your home. Tip 10. Fill your home with things that make you smile. Your home should not just be functional. It should not just be clean and organized. It should also make you happy. Every room should have at least one thing that makes you smile when you see it. Maybe it's a photo of someone you love. Maybe it's a small object that reminds you of a happy memory. Maybe it's a color, a texture, a scent that fills you with warmth and joy. These things matter more than you think. When you walk through your home and see things that make you happy, your mood lifts, your energy lifts. You stop feeling like your home is just a place where you do chores and wait for the day to end. You start feeling like your home is a reflection of who you are, what you love, and what brings you peace. And that shift changes everything about how you experience aging. Getting older doesn't mean you stop deserving beauty, joy, and happiness around you. It doesn't mean your home should become plain, boring, or just practical. It means the opposite. It means you finally have the time and the freedom to fill your space with exactly what makes your heart feel light. So look around today, notice what makes you smile, and make sure you see those things every single day. Let your home remind you that life is still beautiful, still full of little joys, and still worth celebrating every single moment. Now, let's bring all of this together. The small shift in your home that changes how you feel about aging is not just one thing. It's the realization that your home is not separate from how you feel. Your home shapes your mood, your energy, your hope, and your peace. And when you make small, intentional changes to create a space that feels light, calm and full of life, you stop seeing aging as something that's happening to you. You start seeing it as something you're moving through with grace, with strength, and with joy. You don't need to do everything at once. You don't need to make your home perfect. You just need to start with one small shift today. Maybe it's opening a curtain to let in more light. Maybe it's clearing off one surface so you can breathe easier. Maybe it's adding one soft blanket or one small plant. Whatever you choose, know that it matters. Know that you're not just changing your home, you're changing how you feel every single day. And that changes everything. So tell me in the comments, which of these tips are you going to try first? I want to hear what spoke to your heart today. And if you're not subscribed yet, take a moment to subscribe and activate the notifications so you don't miss the next videos. I'm here to help you create a life that feels peaceful, joyful, and full of light, no matter what age you are. Before we finish, let me share something quickly. If you want to keep your home truly clean, organized, and always fresh without spending too much, I've prepared a complete guide with simple homemade recipes, a weekly checklist, and the most effective tricks used by professionals to keep everything spotless. The link is in the first pinned comment. Now, let's take what we learned today and put it into practice. Your home is waiting to feel lighter, and so are